Hi, if you're a bread lover, let me show you how to bake this lovely poppy seed sourdough bread. It is very easy and lots of fun to bake. Don't take everything seriously. Have fun, be creative, and enjoy your bread. Here I have 350 grams mixture of white bread flour, equal part of rye and wheat flour. We had 270 grams of water. Here in London the weather is very cold, so we needed to be in a warmer side. Mix water and flour. This is called autolyse. It means hydrating the flour before adding the rest. The dough is quite sticky. I'm using a Danish dough whisk, which makes everything much easier. When it is completely mixed, let it rest for an hour. Later on, add 60 grams of starter, eight grams of salt, and try to mix them together. I feel like my dough needs hydration. It's too dry. So I'm going to change the 75 to 80% hydration. Bear in mind, different flour need a different hydration. It's safe to add some water. But don't add too much. This is how it should look like. I'm done with mixing and playing. I just realized that my head is not completely in camera frame. I hope you don't mind it. It's 6:30 in the morning. I will leave it as it is. Cover it and let it rest for 2 hours. We gave the bread 3 sets of stretch and folding over 3 hours. We can add the poppy seed when we are doing the last folding. Now it has been 6 hours. Let's shape the dough and leave it in the fridge for the long fermentation for 16 to 20 hours. When you are ready to bake your bread, preheat your oven to 250 degrees for a minimum of 40 minutes. Then take the dough out of the fridge and score it. You would need a sharp blade or knife or scissor. You can be very creative with your scoring and create a beautiful bread. Bake your bread for 20 minutes. in a covered pot and then remove the lid and bake it for more 20 minutes. When you're happy with the color and the crust of your bread, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few hours before slicing. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If so, please like, share, and leave me a comment about your experience of baking. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.